Everything I try and do, I can't do because somebody else has modified it in some way before. It's literally telling me a story. The deeper I go, the more I find. I'm stopping on the engine for now. I need to buy some bits. So what we're going to do today, right? We've got to do something. I've got to do something productive. So I'm going to have a go at trying to get some paint off. Nick at Sawinby Motors has given me this, which is very helpful. He reckons that might just cut it. So there was quite a few comments on the video of me bringing it back with people saying just get a 25 litre drum of thinners and that. So this is $9.99 for that much. We'll see what happens. It'd be good if it does get it off, but I'm not massively convinced it's going to. I think it's going to need ultimately sanding down, but let's give it a go, shall we? So these bits here are quite badly crazed, so I think that might come off. I don't even know why I'm trying this panel, because that's going to be a window.
Got drunk off your life, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't numb the pain, but this time I won't collapse like I did yesterday. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give it this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you're bad, but you're bad for me. I can't give it, I can't give it. I've already run with the wolves. Far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side, I don't know. So if you want to show.
That's starting to come. So it's starting to come off there, look. Ah. That's going to take months if I'm doing that. I'm not a lazy bloke, but Jesus.
I won't give it this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you're bad, but you're bad for me. I can't give it, I can't give it. I've already run with the wolves. Far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side, I don't know. So if you want to shoot.
That also didn't work. It's not even touching it. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to the pub.